So welcome to this special update video, and let's get right to it, because there's been a bit of a change of plan with Tropical Storm. Because yesterday, the computer models were forecasting Ana to get strong after it gets picked up by a trough and gets core misses the Big Island. And even though Ana has continued to strengthen, the storm's moved more south than I've anticipated, and most of the guidance today has shifted considerably to the west, and now brings the system passing very close to the Big Island, Oahu County, and Maui County, but all interested in the Hawaiian Islands are advised to monitor the system. This is no Isao. This is no Isao. Isao is a weak system, and it was coming from a completely different direction. And Isao never had much of a potential to be a very strong system. However, the potential for Ana is much stronger. I mean, the models are starting to form a consensus here at last, and starting to agree on a scenario in which Ana gets picked up by a trough in the Gulf of Alaska, which has been very stormy thanks to the extratropical remnants of a series of typhoons that have been affecting Japan, and those steer Ana towards the Gulf of Alaska, but while doing so, it's going to have to pass over the Hawaiian Islands somehow. Currently, Ana has winds of 55 knots or 65 miles per hour, and the CPHC forecasts the system to become a hurricane, and moves the system very slowly, probably way too slowly, because the CPHC brings the system to Oahu by Sunday. That is probably, 5 days from now, take Sunday, yeah. But it brings it to Sunday night into early Monday to Oahu. That's way too late. And I think likely have to be shifted to Saturday, maybe even Friday, probably Saturday. And they're probably too conservative with intensity. But I'm not an expert, and I'm not. And CPHC is the official product, it's not me. I'd like to point that out. But in my own opinion, it's just my opinion, the CPHC tracks too fast, too slow rather, excuse me, and has the system moving too slowly over the next several days. And what's more likely to happen is that the system intensifies quite a bit, and as indicated by two of the more reliable guidance, becomes a strong hurricane, and then weakens somewhat as it nears Hawaii, as it nears the Hawaiian Islands. It's also uncertain how strong it'll get and how much it will weaken prior to landfall. It may weaken a lot, it may weaken a little, but residents in Hawaii do not need to panic. I realize CPHC is picking a very slow track to avoid panic, but do not panic, but do get worried, and it's in the best interest for the lives and safety of you and others, for those living in Hawaiian Islands, any island, to monitor this hurricane very closely over the next several days. I will try do these videos to keep you guys updated. Bye!